I'm here in Upper Darby between Personet on Richfield Road to show you it's an apartment building in this complex, and this is a courtyard. It's very quiet area. This is a courtyard, and this is the courtyard of the apartment. I want to show you a little bit of the area. You have plenty of parking. It's very quiet, and there are plenty of apartments in the area. And the unit I'm about to show you is 1 to 8 and 1 to 4. Unit 1 to 8 and 1 to 4. The complex starts from that corner all the way here, and as you could see, it's very quiet area and plenty of parking for your parking needs. Let's go to the courtyard and show you the unit. This is all of the complex have this nice courtyards. Okay, here in this beautiful courtyard, it's nice green. To show you a 1-bedroom apartment, unit 128. It is on the next floor. You take the steps up. Okay, get in. The first place you find is your living space. Nice living space here. Huge window for a natural light. On this corner you have your closet. First closet space. Over there also you have this closet. Closet. This is the front door, and this you have your kitchen, nice size kitchen. In the kitchen you have a refrigerator, a gas oven. You have a window for a natural light and air. You have your sink here, nice size kitchen. Next is your bath on your right. It's beautiful. You have window for a fresh air. You have your toilet, cute medicine cabinet. Nice. You have your sink as well. Deep bathtub, shower combo. Next is your bedroom. This is actually your bathroom is inside your bedroom, so in bath suit. So this is your bedroom. As you can see, it's a nice size bedroom to the back of the building. So it is very quiet area. You don't hear anything here. That's the back. Perfect space. Beautiful bedroom. In the bedroom you have this nice closet with shelf. This is what unit 128 looks like. I hope you like the unit. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.